Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to appear offline on Roblox. If you appear offline on Roblox, your connections on Roblox will not be able to see what you are playing. They also cannot join your current experience. So to appear offline on Roblox, go to roblox.com, click gear icon, then select settings. Click privacy and content restrictions from left side. Then select visibility and private servers. Click visibility. Change your online status to no one. It will also change show current experience to no one and turn off activity updates as well. So this is how you will appear completely offline and unavailable on Roblox, and your activity will also be hidden from everybody on Roblox. This technique is perfect if you need a break or if you are doing something important on Roblox that needs your focus and attention. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.